The Samsung Galaxy S24 fulfills the long-awaited promise of the Samsung Galaxy camera from 12 years ago, redefining our expectations for pocket cameras. Gone are the days when multi-frame processing was the standout smartphone feature. Now, with the power of generative AI, phones like the Galaxy S24 can suggest and execute intricate edits. As a former cameras editor, the idea of phones not only automating photo taking but also handling post-processing is mind-boggling. From the Galaxy S24 onward, smartphones are set to revolutionize photography by offering pro-like AI edits in a snap, as seen in our hands-on review. However, the consistency of delivering on this promise is still a work in progress, with potential artifacts becoming a photography buzzword. Despite mixed feelings about algorithms enhancing memories, the S24 affirms that this technology is here to stay, marking a significant shift in the photography landscape.